So we've got an '06 BMW X3 here that has worn out hood mounts, or hood shocks I should say. So you just lift it up. If I let it go, they just don't hold up. You can't stick your head under here, else it'll fall on top of you. So gonna change them out. Got a pair of these by Boxy, BOXI, from Amazon. They're for a pair less than 20 bucks. So we're gonna see how they go. So the next thing you need to do is prop up your hood with something sturdy so it won't drop. In this case, I've got a little piece of yard, whatever, fencing. And then in here, no doubt you've noticed if you have an X3, it accumulates a lot of garbage, leaves, all kinds of gunk. So I'm gonna clean that out. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver to pop these little guys off and then replace them with the new ones. So here's an older one of these shocks. In order to get them out, if you take a screwdriver, put it right under this clip, pry it up. That's the easiest way to do it. And you can see on the other end how once you pry it up and out of there, it just comes right off. Well, and in about 5 minutes with a screwdriver, about 20 bucks, here are the new hood mounts. So still got a bunch of gunk in there. I didn't shop vac that out, but probably be a good idea. That's that.